Pouring fondant icing. Place each cake on a small piece of parchment paper on a wire cooling rack over a tray. Slowly pour a spoonful of the fondant icing over the cakes, moving the spoon back and forth to give an even coating. When mixing your fondant icing, only use half the amount of the water recommended on the pack to ensure a thick covering on your cake. If you feel it's too thick, add half a teaspoon of water at a time to loosen. The icing should spread and trickle down the sides. Repeat the process until the top and sides are covered in fondant, paying particular attention to the corners. Use a cocktail stick to nudge any icing where it needs to be, and then allow to set.